And SAFA has yesterday confirmed a verbal agreement with Pitso Mosimane, who is going to become the head coach of Bafana Bafana. However, Pitso Mosimane's camp has rejected the salary of 5 million rands, which is being offered to Pitso, which is approximately 400,000 rands a month. They are demanding a similar payment or salary to Hugo Broos. Hugo was earning 1.5 million rands a month, which is made up of $75,000 a month, and also 70,000 for rent. And he was allowed to fly to his home country, I think at least once a month. Pitso Mosimane was previously in this job earning 800,000 rands a month. And in his previous jobs, he was earning 1.5 million rands a month at Sundowns in 2020. And he was earning 2 million per month at Al Ahly in Egypt, and 2.7 million at Al Jeddah in Saudi Arabia between 2022 and 2023. So his current offer of 400,000 a month is extremely low. And Pitso has said he's going to start working without the salary, but he wants the salary to be the same as Hugo Broos. So he's looking for 1.5 million rands a month minimum, and he wants a team or his own team of 3 technical assistants to join him, and this will be paid as a package. So he wants this to be paid as a package. So Bafana Bafana, the salary is quite high, but I do not know how it compares with the Zimbabweans. The Zimbabweans are using the US dollar, and in terms of the coach of Zimbabwe, I do not